So, good day everyone. My name is Chandal Pikampat and today we have a VB.NET problem. So, our problem is titled Airline Seating Allocation System. So, our airline wants to optimize its seating allocation for a flight with four classes: the first class, business class, the premium economy, and economy class. And each class has a different numbers of rows and seats per row. So, our first class cost $500 per seat with 2 rows and 4 seats per row. Our business class cost $350 per seat with 4 rows and 6 seats. Then, our premium economy class costs $250 per seat with 5 rows and 8 seats. Lastly, our economy class costs $100 per seat with 10 rows and 10 seats. So, we will write a VB.NET program that calculates and displays the total potential revenue. Then, we will simulate seat booking by asking the user to select a class with a row within that class and the number of seats to book. Then, the program should deduct the booked seats from the total potential revenue and show the updated potential revenue. It should also check if there are seats if there are still seats available. So if there's none, it must prompt to book for another class or the flight is fully booked. So let's start. So we have here our program, so let's call it airline. Then we should initialize our variables. So let's dim our revenue. Let's double. Then our first class seat. So our revenue is equal to 0. Then our first class seats as integer. So it's equal to 2 rows times 4 seats per row. Then for our business class, so dim, let's call it BC. As teacher. So it is equal to 4, I believe it's 4 rows with 6 seats. Yeah, it's 4 rows multiplied by 6 seats. Then next is for our premium economy, so it's dim, let's call it PE, as teacher. So it's equal to, I believe it's 5 rows and 8 seats. Yeah. So let's put 5 times 8. Is it correct? Yeah. So lastly, it's for our economy. So let's call it echo as integer. It's equal to 10 multiplied by 10 seats. So next, let's go to our submain, and then let's calculate our total potential revenue. So revenue is equal to 500 multiplied 500 multiplied by FC, or our first class seats. Then for our business class, it's 350. So 350 times our business class. Next is for our premium economy. So I think it's 250. So 250 times our premium economy, so PE seats. And lastly, for our economy, so 100 times eco seats. Now we're done calculating for our revenue, so let's print it out. So console dot write line. So total potential revenue then let's go here and our revenue to string. So revenue dot to string. Then let's put F2 so that we have two decimal places. Then we will start our do loop. So let's enter our do loop. Then console we need the user to select a class, so let's type select a class to book. Let's put it. Sorry, my mistake. So let's remove this. Let's put it inside here. So one for first class. For first, then two for business, then 3 for premium. Next for our economy, so it's 4 for our economy. Then let's add another one for, to exit, so let's put 0 to exit. So there, let's just put semicolon there, and yeah, so I think that's it, that's right. So let's initialize our switch case. So let's put them, let's name it choice as integer. And let's convert it to enter dito. So next, let's start our switch case. So let's select case choice, then for case 1, so if first class seats is equal to 0, then let's print so if our first class seats is equal to 0, then let's print our first class is full. Pick another class, so pick another class. Next, else, let's print. So let's enter the number of seats to book. So enter seats to book in first class. Then let's initialize it. So let's call it seats to book. So dim seats to book as integer. Then let's just convert it to int32. I apologize, but let's convert it to int32. So next, let's put another if. So if our seats is less than our first class seats, then let's print let's put there are no enough seats available, so let's put sorry. There are no enough seats available. Then another else. So let's put our revenue. Revenue is minus equals to 500 multiplied by seats to book. Then let's print so for this, let's put our seats to book and our seats booked in first class. Then let's print again. So for our updated potential revenue, so potential, I mean total potential, and our revenue dot to string. Let's put F2. Sorry, I forgot the. So let's put F2 inside. Then lastly, it's for our first class seats is minus equals our seats to book. Then let's just copy this. Let's just copy this and then let's put phase 2 here. Let's make it phase 2 and then let's just change. Then so let's change the value to 350. And you can do it. We will make the case 3 and then our case 4. So let's make it faster. So here, let's just change some of this. So it's easy. And let's just copy this. Let's make the case 3 and let's use these for our company. So let's leave for our let's go for our case 4. So let's leave it case 4. Then go. Next one, let's just remove the word. I mean bring a word. And let's change this to icon. Then should put another case to exit or do. So case case 0 to exit. So lastly else let's print so if they input a wrong number or a wrong if they input numbers that aren't here on our select a class, so it will prompt invalid choice. So let's put invalid choice. Please select again. So lastly, let's end our case and loop here. So let's print console dot right line or total potential revenue. Then for our first class, so first let's put P, and then and 500 times 4 minus our first class seats. So FC seats. Then let's put that to string, and let's put F2 for the decimal. Just like that. So let's just copy that and paste. So let's change this to business. This to premium. And lastly, this one for economy. And let's change the value. So here for economy it's 100. It's 250 I believe in our premium economy. And 350 for our business class, and Yeah, I also forgot to change this. So it's 4 rows with 6 seats. 6 seats. Then for our premium economy, we have 5 rows. 5 rows with 8 seats. And lastly, we have 10 rows and 10 seats for our business, I mean economy class. So lastly, let's don't forget about our console.redline. Yeah, I think this is it. So let's try to run it. I forgot there's a mistake here. So let's wait it to no. So let's put it here. So F2. So again, let's try to run it. Oh, I forgot. I have this one. So there are no errors left. So let's try to run it. So here, as you can see, our total potential revenue is here. So we got $332,400. I mean, let's turn this to pesos. Let's turn this to peso. Let's not use dollars because we're in the Philippines. So let's use pesos. Then, so here, as you can see, we have our total potential revenue in 32,400 pesos. So we need to select a class to book. So 1 for first class, 2 for business class, 3 for premium, 4 for economy. So let's put let's try first class, so 1. Then we need to enter the number of seats to book. So let's try to book 9 because we only have 8 seats, I believe. So there are no seats available. So we need to select our do loop. We'll go back here. So we need to select another class to book. So let's select 1. Let's put 4 seats. So we should have our total potential revenue, which is 32,400. So as you can see, our updated total potential revenue was decreased to 30,400 because a seat from our first class cost $500 or 500 pesos. So we subtracted the 2,000 pesos because it's 4 seats to our total potential revenue, and our updated total potential revenue is 30,400. So again, let's select 2 for business class. So let's enter 1. So we should have 30,050 pesos. So as you can see, we got 30,050 pesos with 2 decimal points because of our F2. And next is for our premium economy. So let's select 3 for our premium. Then for our premium, it costs, so for our premium it costs 250. So let's put 1, so we should have 29,000 something. So here, as you can see, we have our updated total potential revenue to 29,700 because we subtracted 1 seat from the premium economy. So let's try the economy class. Then let's input let's say 7, so we should have 29,000 pesos left in our total potential revenue, and we can see it in the updated total potential revenue. So let's click enter. So as you can see, wait, so yeah, then let's type 0 to exit our program. So as you can see, the total potential revenue, the first class cost 20,000, the business class cost 7,000, the premium economy cost 9,000, and the economy class costs 9,600. So here our program works effectively. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and see you on the next one. So bye.